Hello guys, welcome to the stock market crash of 2021. Sell everything. It's 14 minutes.
Sell everything. Take it. It's crashing, guys. It's crashing. This great stock market crash of 2021 is here. Batten down the hatches. Sell your kids. Hide your wife. Because they're killing everybody out here.
Sell your kids.
Everyone. My name's Jesse Tyler Ridgeway, and oh my God, we're jumping into the meat of finance here. We're talking about.
By the way, guys, I just posted on Storyfire, Twitter, and Instagram. Do you guys have a dirty mind?
Complexities around that. I'm gonna do my best to
maybe.
Eli 5 and explain
Let me
to
know
you
in the
as
comments.
if you were 5 years old.
My friend was here today. She just left. That's why the videos come out later. Tomorrow I'll do for the new Minecraft series. I'll be uploading video tomorrow on that. So stay tuned for that. If you haven't watched it, please check it out. Uploaded last night. I think it was like around 11ish last night. My time, Eastern Standard Time.
No big deal. It actually is a big deal. This doesn't happen all the time, but hey, look at the crypto 1 month chart.
What I like about his finance rate, it's not super long, so.
Stockies. But guys, there's been a lot of rising concerns that the stock market is overinflated. It's trading like 22x earnings, and it's just fitting to crash, and whoever's invested right now is going to lose everything. If you bought any stocks within the last 3 months, you're going to probably blow it all. It's going to disappear, and it's going to go to zero, so you probably should sell right now. I'm being sarcastic, guys. Do not sell. Don't panic. Guys, look, let me cheer you up. I know it's been a crazy year. Almost been 1 full year since Black Thursday, or the day that like stocks and crypto, everything dropped by like 50%, and everyone.
And Corona too. It's been a year for Corona too. Well, has it been a year already?
Pandemic was announced, and you know that. Now over half.
But things are getting better with Corona. Like, most of the people, because I've known a couple people who've gotten it.
We have good news.
And everyone who has gotten it just got cold symptoms. So, I mean, take it as you will. I'm not saying.
As of the end of March, that's
I'm just saying, like, pretty much people are really only getting cold symptoms, so take it as you will. I mean, everyone's gotten colds before, so I'm just saying. Not saying guys still shouldn't be careful. I'm just saying you don't have to be concerned as much anymore. Especially these vaccines, like Johnson & Johnson came out with a new vaccine, or did this week, where it's only 1 shot instead of the 2. So, I don't know. Maybe you guys can look into that one. Instead, instead of getting 2 shots, you can just get the 1 shot. I think that would be better than having to get 2 shots.
We have fun here, guys.
You know what I mean?
We're all getting some money, and that means the Fed, the money printer that goes burr. Guys,
my dad can get one too. He's in that age range.
They're
doing it like right now. It's like 65 to 55.
A lot of Americans are still,
and then after I will go for like 55, 45, and so on.
Unemployed, which is not good. And so the government.
So yeah, I don't know if all states are doing that. I don't know how your states are doing that with the vaccine. I feel like they're probably all similarly. You know what I mean? At least something along the lines of that. I don't know. Let me know. Wherever state you're in, let me know how they're doing it.
I have a printer here. I'm able to if you guys want some, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. And we're gonna mint. We're all gonna get minted. I'm gonna print off more of these and send it to you in a gift bag. What were we saying? Oh yeah, the end of the entire stock market. So these are looking great.
I was gonna upload episode 2 tonight, but it's just getting late by the time this one's up. I'm gonna hang out with my sister too. She's on the way home. Let me know what the videos you want to see me film with my sister, by the way. Yeah, guys. Dirty mind. Let me know if you have dirty mind. Let me know if you do. Let me know what you think this is. Well, it looks like.
Stocks only go up, and
iced tea lemonade.
Lots of money. But now here's the bad side. Here is what everyone's growing concern has been, and that's inflation. People are even saying
if you haven't had iced tea lemonade, get it.
People are saying,
you know, like it has a lemon flavor to it, but it's not a strong lemon flavored. Release this one where we get. It's I forget what brand it's in. I just know it's a round container and it's yellow. I forget what it's called though. Like I can picture it in my head, but I can't picture what it's called.
Zimbabwean money back in fan mail.
Or even get the brisk. I like the brisk iced tea lemonade. That's really good. Again, all this is lemonade. I mean, iced tea with like a flavor and a lemon to it.
And like that buys you like
you can taste the lemon, but it's not strong.
Ridiculous, but that's what happens when they keep printing money. Basically, inflation is where your dollar has less spending power. So like, imagine you go to the grocery store and a bag of Doritos used to be a couple bucks. Now it's $6 for a bag of Doritos. Your dollar has less power to buy a house. It's not going to cost a $500,000 house. is now a $700,000 house. It sucks, especially when people are earning the same amount of money.
Especially
and that's why you might see a lot
shit's
of
been
talks
hard
to
with
raise the
Corona.
minimum
It's making
wage
things
to
hard
try
and
keep
stuff.
up
Like
with this
expenses are
inflation
going
that's most
up, and
likely
like
gonna occur. Now, I've
last
seen
year,
a
you
lot of
know,
varying theories, and
people
guys,
got laid
understand that
off,
everything
hours
I say
cut.
here is just my
Like I remember
personal
last year,
opinion.
my dad's hours
Trying
was
to
cut
be
for a lot.
entertaining
He's a
and throw
truck
some
driver.
logic
He
at
works
you,
5
but
days a
really,
week,
for
Monday
anyone
through
who
Friday.
claims to know what's
There's a
gonna happen
time
with
when
the
he
stock
was
market or
only
what's
working
gonna
4
happen
days
with
a
the
week
economy,
because of the
it's all just
virus.
guesswork.
Because he
I think
delivers
a lot of
steel, as you
people,
guys know I
as
mentioned
we were
before.
recovering most of this year, thought
So
we
you
were
know,
gonna
companies,
crash
you know,
even
with
lower,
closing,
and that never
so he
happened.
wasn't working
And
as
a
much.
lot
He
of
was
people
collecting
bet
unemployment
billions
for
of
the
dollars.
Friday
Heck,
that he
I was
wasn't
even
working,
in
but
that
still.
camp. I thought this fall the stock market was going to crash.
Coronavirus
I
really
thought
kind of,
COVID
with the
cases,
stocks
deaths were
and
gonna rise, and
investments,
they
they
did
really kind of
tremendously, but it
destroyed
had no
things,
impact
honestly,
on
with
the
that
market.
stuff.
The
So,
stock market, in a lot of ways, is used as a tool
you
to
know, I'm not
predict
saying
what
like
they
you
think
shouldn't
the
invest.
future
Just be smart
of the
about it,
economy
guys.
and
Don't
these
invest a
companies
lot.
is gonna
Be
look
smart.
like.
Do your
And everyone's
research.
banking on the fact that
You know, don't
things will be better
totally,
in the
you know,
future, and they are. Now,
don't
looking at the 5%
totally, what's the
drop
word?
in the
Like,
NASDAQ, that the SP 500,
don't
we've
just
been
write off,
seeing
you
a
know,
lot of
think about it,
volatility,
you know, just
basically,
don't totally,
where
oh
the
no, I'm
graph
never going to
goes
invest.
uppy
Like,
and downy a
I'm
lot.
just saying, you shouldn't write it off.
I'm trying to
You know,
break
just
it down
look
for you
into it
guys,
a little
'cause I know
bit.
a
Just
lot of
don't,
my
you know,
fans. Anyway,
say,
so
oh,
it's
I'm not
crazy.
going
It's
to invest.
volatile.
You know
It's
what?
like Psycho Kid ripping
Who
his
knows?
clothes off. So that's not a good look.
I know
You
right now may
people
not be the
get a
best, but
little
who knows?
spooked
It could
from
get
that. They're
better.
like,
Maybe
I'm
one
not
day
keeping
you
my
want to
money
invest,
here. It's
you
a
know.
little too much, and that's why a lot of people don't really mess with
Never say never
cryptocurrencies.
with
Like, when
things,
you
guys.
see a
Give
big,
things a chance. You know, that's
well,
all.
when you see big
That's all
ups, that's
anyone
exciting,
can ever
but
ask for. Just
you
give
also
things a
kinda want
chance.
some
Try
stability.
things.
You're
You know, if
putting
you
a
don't
lot of
like it, you
money
don't like it. But
'cause what goes up
if you
can
never
come
done
down
it,
just
don't
as
say you
quick.
don't
So,
like it
yeah,
or
it's
whatever.
a
You know.
lot. Now, why we've recently
I
seen
used
this
to be
drop
that,
are,
but
for a
that
few
type of
different
person,
factors,
but
in my
I've changed.
opinion.
I've
For
learned
one,
as you
it's
grow,
been
you learn.
ridiculously high as it was, and people take profits. I mean, if you 2x or 3x your money in a year,
8
you
minutes.
probably want to take it out and buy yourself a yacht or something, or a toy yacht. There's also this other factor, and this you might see a lot of headlines about this. And I want to try and break this down properly.
Realistically, though, why would anyone need a yacht? Like, they're cool, no. They're just a big boat. Like,
so a bond is basically a loan, except you as an investor in a bond is actually the one
I have bonds that I got when I was a baby.
There's a few different types of bonds.
I don't know where they are
I'm
now.
going to use loans and bonds interchangeably because I feel like calling it a loan is easier. Now, understand, guys, in finance, there's a lot of terms that I don't think are necessary.
No, I do want to ask my mom about my bonds. Not that I necessarily want to cash them in now, but
part of it. They want a high barrier to entry so you guys don't make a lot of money because that's what the rich people are supposed to do. You all aren't supposed to know about this stuff. Can't tell all the secrets. Messed up, guys. That's why we're here. So there's a few different types of bonds. There's corporate bonds. That's through a company. There's municipal bonds, government bonds. There's all kinds of bonds. Bonds. James Bond, actually. You can lend him money. That's how he has so much money. Because people lend it to him. And then he has to kill to pay it back. Or something. I think that's how it works. Or something involving women. Lots of women. They're nice. So what you can do, say you had $100,000 and you're like, yo,
I haven't seen any James Bond movies, so I know nothing about
risk
him.
it in the stock market. I'm not doing cryptocurrency. I already have a house. What do I do with this $100,000? I don't like risk. I want to be safe with this. You can buy a bond, so basically, you're taking that $100,000.
I mean, sometimes it's okay to take a risk. Sometimes you should take risks in life, but make sure, you know, just be careful with type of risk. When it comes to money, be careful taking risks when it comes to money. Certain things it's okay to take risks on, just be smart about it.
Over that time period,
just remember one thing, guys. You only live once and make the most of your life, you know. You don't want to look back in your life and think, oh, I wish I did this, I wish I did that. Go for it, you know.
Say 10-year
because life, not everything's gonna work out right, but hey, at least you tried something and it didn't work out or didn't go the way you planned, so that's okay, that's life. You know, but you can't be afraid to try things, you know.
People, if they're, you know, trying to avoid risk, they're trying to manage it.
You know, sometimes it can be scary trying new things, but sometimes once you do, you may realize, you know what, I love doing that. I'm glad I did that.
It's a safer option.
I've done that with a bunch of things. Like, for example, I don't know if this counts, but every time for some reason I would go to the doctor, I would be a nervous wreck. Like, I don't know why. It can just be for like a simple checkup or something like that, and I would get nervous. So I always hated the strep test. Shots I never minded, but the strep test I hated. And I never really, most of the time it's never strep test, but I don't know, I get nervous and I was walking a bit, why was I nervous about that?
Which
you know what I mean?
is causing people to sell their stocks off. And it's like, wait, wait, huh? So there's an inverse relationship here. It's the opposite. So when bond yields go up, how much interest you'll get on your loan, how much money you'll get back. Some of which, guys, if you got a municipal bond,
that guy like explained to me bonds, but it was kind of confusing, but I kind of a little bit understood it.
You watch that video about Logan Paul. When people want a safe investment, they will buy bonds, which because there's such high demand, the bond prices will go up, and the yields will go down. So you're not going to get as much.
Guys, listen to the song "My Ex-Best Friend" by Machine Gun Kelly and Black Bear. It's a really good song. It's like
bonds out there. A lot of people want to
pop
be safe,
song.
so
They're like pop singers. Well, Black Bear's a rapper, Machine Gun Kelly, yes, they're rappers, but this song's not really too much rap. It's a really great song. Like the beat and everything, it's an upbeat song. In the way, yeah, it's an upbeat song.
Like I said, it's the inverse.
It's a really good song.
Bond prices are going down. So that's right, Jimmy Neutron Brain Blast. That is freaking
oh my
people
god,
out,
I used to watch Jimmy Neutron all the time as a kid.
Bonds, which once again is the safer
Let me know if you watch Jimmy Neutron.
Because hey, things are getting good. It's a sign that they think the economy is going to be doing better. They're pulling out of their safer investments, which has caused a little ripple effect because smart traders, investors know this, and then they're like, okay, I'm selling my stocks, and specifically a lot of these value retail trader stocks, the Robinhood crazy stocks. We can do a separate video on all that. I know we talked about GameStop, AMC before, but things have been recycling. A lot of people are selling.
Oh, by the way, I played my 3DS last night to see if that would help improve the lag in my game. It kind of did. Still lagged a little bit, but you know, it seemed like it was a bit better, honestly.
The game is changing a bit. Stock selling.
I was finally able to connect to the internet too. I had trouble connecting to the internet on my 3DS. Not that I need it. I don't really use the internet, because I tried to do a world on, like, you know, the public where other people could join, and then when I went to load the world one day, it wouldn't load. It's so stupid. And it was a world when I started building the druggy house that, as you know, I'm working on now. And I did some work on it, and I had to restart that in a whole new world, so that sucked. It just wouldn't load for some reason. You know what I mean?
We may see some.
I don't know what was wrong with it.
Seen, some of the commodities go up in price.
Another thing was kind of what I don't like about 3DS Minecraft, like on Xbox, you know, you could do a bunch of worlds, right? Like I remember I had so many worlds on there, I didn't know how to delete them. So I would make one and make a bunch of worlds. But on 3DS it limits you. You can only do like, I think 6 or 7 worlds. I think it's like 6 worlds you can do up to limit. But like on there it's like unlimited worlds you can do. Well, not about unlimited, but I probably had close to over 20 worlds, probably around 20 worlds. So I don't like that about 3DS, but I get it because, you know,
rising interest rates at any point, at least
yes, you know, the system is, it doesn't have the capacity like an Xbox, PlayStation, computer to hold all that Minecraft stuff. So.
They've remained relatively consistent and on top of things.
Sorry, I'm going off on random tangents here.
Has opposing viewpoints here, but I actually believe it. I think things are just kind of working themselves out. We just saw a little bit of froth get cut from the top, and we're going to get this stimulus, and it's going to feel probably pretty similar to the last few months. However, you know, COVID's going to be starting to dissipate a bit, the vaccines and all good things, and might see some of those tech stocks funnel into value stocks. And just a real quick blurb about cryptocurrency. I think we're going to start to see a slight consolidation and recovery as we get closer into mid-March and the stimulus. So what does all this mean, guys? I know we just talked a lot. I'm trying to explain different factors in this scenario. I also didn't mention taxes too much. Biden, I know, has some proposed tax plans, which could cause tax hikes.
No offense to anyone who likes Biden, that's just how I feel. I'm allowed to, you know, have my opinions. Probably should not be saying that on video, but
gains tax, and we might see hikes across the board. And it'll be interesting to see if that happens. It'll be interesting to see the interest rates, basically, you know, how much you're gonna have to pay on any loans, mortgages.
Check out my new Minecraft series I'm doing on Xbox. It's a bit better than when I tried to on, you know. The only issue I'm having with on the Xbox is when I recorded last night, if you watched it, the brightness of the screen, like it's so bright on my phone screen recording it that it's hard to see things. I don't know how to fix it.
Or Facebook or Amazon, not saying that these companies won't do well, it's just that they've gotten pumped a lot. Or at least stick around till, you know, the stimulus drops, people buy in more, maybe think about rebalancing after that or around that time. And for cryptocurrency, or just if you have money on the sidelines and want to invest, buying on a big dip like this in crypto, 25% down, just think if it recovers back to where it was, it's 25%
Guys, subscribe to his finance channel. Some of you may not find them the most interesting videos in the world, but they're all good videos. He puts time and effort. I'm sure he has to research stuff for these. Like,
we might get to the point where I am one of those channels that'll
you know what
give you
I mean? It's not easy.
Specific insights into cryptocurrency markets. Let me know.
I'm sure you know it takes research and stuff for these videos and editing. I mean, no nitpick, but still, just subscribe. You know, support him. You know, he puts effort into these videos.
Still trying to get my wings.
Like, make making videos, you know, is not easy as you think. Like, it takes effort, you know? Like, to set up videos and stuff. Like, by the time it takes time for these prep videos and then record them and then upload them. Like, it's not like the most difficult process, but, you know, it's time to it. I mean, I don't mind it. I'm not trying to complain. I'm just saying. And, guys, we need, like, 10 more people to subscribe to my channel to hit 400 subs. I want to continue to grow this channel, guys. Please sub. Share this with your friends. Tell your friends to subscribe. Yeah. You know, because that would help a lot. I love you guys so much. By the way, if you're wondering what this is, it's like a toilet candy. It's these candy, like, supposed to be plungers. I was doing it. It's watermelon flavored. And it has, like, powder inside here you stick it in. It's, like, kind of like, you know, Fun Dip. You guys know Fun Dip has a candy stick. You stick in the powder. This is similar to. Never had it before, but I'm sure I'll like it. I like Fun Dip. And, yeah, I got, like, the lollipop things, but they look like plungers. It's cute. I got this at Five Below. Guys, if you've never been to Five Below and you have one near you or somewhere where you live, go to it. It's kind of, everything is $5 and below for prices, and they have a lot of cool things. It's kind of similar to Dollar Store, but they have kind of more than a Dollar Store. And I went to they have like cleaning products now, apparently. They have like Clorox and stuff. Pretty cool store to get like present for a friend. They have makeup things, they have kids stuff, board games, toys, they have cards. They have like stuff for outside, pool stuff, pool toys, a lot of St. Patrick's Day stuff. So it's almost kind of like a bougie dollar store in a way. Like I said, everything's $5 and below. It's a really cool place. Check it out. You know, like their sports section, you get like baseballs, basketballs, and stuff. Like they have like little penny birds, which are like skateboards. They have a lot of cool stuff. They have like a wall with T-shirts on it, like you see in FYE or something. You know, fun little like T-shirts and stuff. They have a lot of good stuff there. I'm trying to think. They have like stuff for your phone, like phone chargers, screen protectors for phones, and they have like snacks, candy, a big section for candy. You get a little bag and you put candy in it. Now they like the candy. It's a really cool store. It's not huge. It's a huge store. It's a good size, good store. I highly recommend going there. They have some really stuff you really like, candies and stuff you won't find anywhere else. I mean, probably find this stuff at Dollar Store too, but a lot of cool candies and stuff that you don't see. Anyways, it's time. Now the video's about, but again, tomorrow is going to be my episode 2 of the video. I still have work to do in the world before off camera. I'll be doing stuff off camera too for videos, but I'm excited for this series. I've always wanted to do a Minecraft series, and I'll get to. So please check it out. Please subscribe, guys. Tell your friends about me. I want to continue to grow this channel because I'm working hard and I'm doing what I can, but you guys. I love you guys so much, my randomers. Follow me on my socials. Follow Colin on Insta. Subscribe to Josh. Subscribe to Original #HP. Subscribe to _Juggy. I love you randomers so much and all the support you give me, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.